getting more and more people telling me they're feeling tension, tightness down in this area here. It's our glutes, it's our piriformis. We're sitting on that area all day. So I wanted to share with you glute kicks and glute circles. So we've got two moves in this. First one is the kicks, glute kicks. You're on your side. Bottom knee is bent, elbow here. What we're looking at, guys, is the top of your femur, where we got this thing called the trochanter. Two of your glutes insert right at the top of that. You want to think of it as a triangle. So there's one side of the triangle, the base of the triangle, and then back down to that spot there. That triangle is where you want to play. So use a fist, start at the front there, and just have a little poke around until you feel a spot that's quite punchy. There we go for me. Keep downward pressure with your arm, then lift the leg and bring it up. Knee as high as you can. Keep the knee bent, take the leg behind you. Up and then behind. The mistake most of us will make is the body starts getting involved. You start seeing big motion like that, or the pelvis is rocking around. Keep the pelvis stacked, keep the core on. It's just the leg we're after, guys, and you're gonna feel that glute get involved. Lengthen out, get shorter and shorter and shorter. Lengthen out, shorter and shorter and shorter. You wanna get at least 10 cycle kicks in that spot. Once you've done that, hand off, hold your pelvis, straighten the leg, lift the leg up, and then turn the leg, just the leg, internal like that. Then I want you to draw circles, keeping the leg above the horizontal the whole time, and really thinking of the back of the circle. Keep it super smooth and focused. 10 one way, and then 10 the other. You really have to work and concentrate on keeping that pelvis stable, the core on. That's gold for the glutes. Come back to your kicks. Hand on the next spot that needs some work. Knee up. Get right behind. Knee up. Get that leg behind, keep the pelvis stationary. Brilliant. So 10 kicks times 3. 10 circles above the horizontal, nice and smooth, times 3. Swap over sides, and that will be your glutes prohabbed for the day. Get stuck in, people.